quick update on the plow and the dump trailer. As maybe some of you know about the Bolins has two hydraulic outputs. One is dedicated to the mower deck, just down under here, which I use also for the plow to rise and lower the plow. For angle and for dumping, this is the other of the two auxiliary hydraulic outputs. So the outputs I have at the front and the back are actually the same, share in between the two with a sample T. So I have the plow being hooked and also the dump trailer. So what does happen if you have both plugged at the same time? You will see, this is funny. So the easy answer is the oil only flows to the easiest part first. So the flow being raised is really free, so it flows first to the hydraulic cylinder linking the front flow. Then after that, while it's being angled, there's some oil that also flows a little bit in the other cylinder. And then when it goes to the end of stroke, then there's no oil that can longer go to that cylinder, so everything is going to this one. Simple as that. As you can see, if you wonder how much counterweight does need to hold up all that amount of wood, okay, what you see moving is only the weight of what is on the 3.8, which is the two pails here, which are filled roughly with 150 pound crushed stone. So if I had to hold that tongue with my hand, I should have to put 150 feet downward force to keep that straight. So it's not too bad. So basically I don't remove any weight from the Bolins, but I no longer have any counterweight, let's say so. So you might wonder how much wood does it contains. Roughly this is 4 feet by 5 feet, and let's say a cord is 4 feet by 8 feet. Now a face cord or wick or stove cord, I don't know if there's any other name of that, which is roughly a third of what is a cord is. So I would say this one 4 feet 5 feet, and a face cord is based on 16 inches long wood. My wood is cut at 22 inches, so if you make 22 divided by 16 and you multiply it by 4 feet 5 feet and you make a rule of 3, you will see, or you will calculate that it's roughly 3/4 of a face cord, so roughly maybe 1200 pounds. So roughly, most of the weight is just a little bit behind the wheels. So maybe this is the center of the center mass, which could be maybe 1 feet behind the wheels. And still I have 6 feet in front. So let's say I have 1200 feet divided by 6, 200 pounds, which relates roughly to the 150 pounds required. And yeah, this is also the weight of the trailer itself. So roughly, by my calculation, it's roughly half of a ton in that small trailer. By the way, what I have here is a woodshed. It's within the house. It's on the heated side. I have an outside door here, and inside this is a closet door, which is next to the wood stove. So when I open the door like this, the cold doesn't get in like it was really open. So it gets in a little bit, not too much. So I have also planks to split that in two portions. So the idea is to get, if I want to sort out some smaller wood, bigger woods for colder or warmer temperature, this is the idea for that. At this time of the year there's no point because it's always cold. But at least at this point what I do is I'll stack the top portion of that trailer on the top portion, so I get top to top and bottom to bottom, so I don't bend over each and every time.